back at one of the best malls for steals and deals. They got a Foot Locker, they got Champs, they have a Chic, they have a Shoe Palace. They also have one of the last Finish lines and even have a Lids. Let's start with this huge Foot Locker right here. They got jerseys on sale. They got LeBron jerseys on sale. $120 for these bad boys right here. Interesting. So is this the new City jersey for this year? The City jerseys from last year. I'm just not a fan of that style. $120. I don't know if you get another 20 off. I don't see any sales tag on that one. They do have Tech fleece right here, $135 to $190. And yeah, these are regular price, so just the olive one on sale over there. I'm looking for the 70% off items. Just got this 50% off section right here. Not the craziest deals, but they do have every colorway of these bad boys. I have not seen so many colorways of the La France. What are these? The casual line right here. I've never seen this colorway right here. These are all going for $110, $115. This one's $115. They also do have all the, I haven't seen these. One with this stuff in the back. That is kind of dope because they do love their beanies, or Cartman loves his beanie. Oh, I have not seen this one. That's what it is. I haven't seen the Cartman one. Here's the teacher one. I forgot his name. Regular South Park one right here. And then got the Kenny one. I don't see the price though. Some of their licensed ones will go for $70. But the Towel-E one as well. Holy cow, this one's actually pretty dope. I have the Adidas. I think it's the Campus. I think I have the Adidas Campus ones that are like that. But yeah, I can't see a price tag. This one's actually kind of dope. I like that one. And I grabbed one of these grade school pairs. This one looks like a size 8 men's. I grabbed the grade school one of these for $16 online. That was pretty cool. Do have the Evo SLs here for $100. That Superstar patent leather Superstars. Can you wear this with the suit? $80. Them in black and white as well for $80. Another one of these Evo SLs for $100. They got Luca 4s. I've never even seen this colorway, and it's already on sale. Kind of interesting color blocking. Kind of interesting. I think the monochromes look a little better on these. These are going for $100 right here. Normally they're what, $135, so a little bit of a sale. They got the Jordan 9 boots right here. I don't think I've seen these anywhere. Did they just release? These must have just released. So $230 for these. Y'all saw my video, my Nike Outlet orange video. I did grab these at the Nike outlets. I was able to get them for under $100. That was pretty freaking dope. You got Jordan 40s right here. One has a Nike sign and then one does not. Oh, that's interesting. Holy crap. Okay. This one's like a interesting material. It's a canvas material or something. Suede up top. Oh, super soft buck leather. Okay. What are these going for? $215 or something? I don't see a price tag. $205 for these. Damn, Crocs has a line. Holy crap, Crocs actually has a line. All right, we do got a Champs right next to Crocs. Champs Foot Locker have been interesting because 1 week, one spot will have a better deals, and then the other week, the other spot will have better deals. I don't know what to do. But yeah, it is what it is. Dude got some KDs right here, $80 freaking dollars. Holy cow, I'm just not a fan of the look of these. I don't know. Interesting because they've had Vomeros and they've had the Vomero Pluses everywhere, but they haven't had the Vomeros Premiums like at that many spots. It's interesting because now they have these everywhere. So I guess Nike's kind of premiering them in their own locations and then spreading them out everywhere. Kind of interesting. Got 2002 Rs. This one, damn, but that color is awful. What's up with these colors, man? These colors are just everywhere. $80 for that 90-60. Then look in the women's right here. Do got Vomero 18s. Go for $90. That might be the cheapest we've seen at a retail shop. $90 for Vomeros. That's what's up. And then they're all right. They're all right. That's fire though, and it's a black colorway too. So you would think that would sell super quick because that matches with everything. Oh my bad. This is grade school. Grade school. That's a 7Y right there. But a lot of you women can fit that. Women's section is right here. They're coming out with new colorways. New colorways of the Vomero 18s. I think this is the one we saw on sale. think they were under $100. Where was that? Which? Oh, at Orange. Got the all white pluses right here. And then the women's section do got these on sale. Oh, so I did see these on sale for like 60 bucks at some of the outlets. And I think it was because it was like one of the last pairs. Whenever they only have like 1 or 2 pairs, they will price them out super low just to get rid of them. When I did see them at the Champs, I saw them on the back section right here. Sale section, whatever the hell this thing is called. And what are these? Women's right here, women's Shocks TLs right here, not bad. That's like $100 off, no? Got the TLs right here. And then we just saw these over there, so obviously these aren't the last sizes, huh? What's up with that? See, this is what I'm talking about here. I think they only have a couple of these, so that's why they marked them down so much, because all the other ones are going for 100 bucks. Coming out with some more basic dunks, but better materials. Finally, getting good materials on some regular dunks right here. I don't know about the circle laces. I kind of prefer the flat laces, but everybody always has extra laces, right? But yeah, 120 for these. Like I said, decent material. Way better than these crappy ones right here. And they charge you 130 for these. What the hell? What the hell? 125 for that one. Even better than... Oh, look at that. Come on, look at that. Damn. Homegirl on the right there is giving mom crap because she just put 100 Jordans this morning and she didn't even notice. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. 3 or 4 weeks until the semi-annual clearance sale. They usually start right after Christmas. But always worth taking a look to see if anything is marked on sale. Wasn't very good last, 2 weeks ago last time I came here. Do got who's Ortiz jersey right here going for 130. It's just 30% off, nothing too crazy. Is that a Bo Jackson jersey? Throwback 135. Griffey jersey right here, you do get 30% off, but no additional discounts. Yeah, 30% off 130. A lot of baseball stuff, especially since baseball season is over. Kraken jersey right here. This is something from last year or something. I don't know, 130. No player. And then do got jerseys. Embiid right here, who's injured, 120. Got Nash jerseys. Is that a Ray Allen jersey from way back when? But yeah, it's all retail. Everything's retail, dang it. But you do get 30% off, I guess. Got one of the biggest shoe palaces to check out. They've been having that 25% off sale. I'm 99% sure it's still going on. And this spot does have a really good selection. I'm sure numbers-wise, the store does really well, so they keep getting more and more stuff. But yeah, I do got Jordan 1 low. It's Ease on sale. We saw this on sale at Shoe Palace, not here yet. I like the material. Canvas pair, I've never seen this one. Got some faux patina on it and stuff like that. 135 because newer SE. But yeah, if you weren't able to grab these at the outlets, they do have them for close to $100 here. That's a patent leather mids for 125. Falling on a budget. Had a video regarding mids and stuff like that. I'm curious to see if you guys agree with him. But yeah, not too many retros. Do got the ones. Got the Mellow 12s, the Lucky Green 3s. Got stuff here. Retail price for most of those. And then it is official. We do see a sign for that. That means all these, what was it? Rejuvenates? I was gonna say Rejuvenates, right? Rejuvenates all pretty much 25 off, 70 bucks. Retail stores wise, they've had the best sales on Vomeros. And these, they got these gray, black, and white. 80 bucks, that's not bad. Then these are under 60 bucks, under $60. Nike's been pushing a ton of dunks, so they got a million different colors. They're trying to shove them all in there. Cortez up top. None of the Air More Up Tempo lows though, dang it. Still got plenty of books. They don't have the Forrest Gump Cortez, but they got the book inspired version. They got foams right here, especially with that 25 off. Like what was that, 150 something, 150 something? Yeah, they got a couple of them for that cheap. Trying to get more of the Vomeros too. They don't have the black and white ones anymore. They got rid of them because it was like $100, man. And for the women in grade school, they do got, that's last year's version or this year's version. This past Valentine's Day release right there. And this was another one right here with the 8-bit hearts right there. And then speaking of women's Cortez, these are under $30, under $30. And if you weren't able to get your hands on the Grateful Dead, I guess you can grab one of these. But this is a grade school, so it goes up to size 7 or 8.5 women's. If y'all need Air Forces, this is a women's. But they go up to size 12, so you can grab them here. You really won't find Forces any cheaper. But I need to get my kid a black one. Like, his pair is kind of like, they're close to being cooked. I need to see his pairs. Got some interesting dunks in the women's right here. This one has glitter right there, and then look at this. Interesting, using different materials. Technically it's just regular leather or synthetic leather, whatever the hell they use, but they're stamping it to make it look like faux alligator skin. $130 for those. And I just realized they don't have that many New Balances. I guess the New Balance account not super big. I know they've been getting more and more Adidas lately, but nothing crazy. I don't think I've seen this anywhere though. Looks like a McDonald's bun. But yeah, I don't think I've seen the sesame one anywhere. That's interesting. Got a Shoe Palace, and these are starting to sell out everywhere, huh? We are starting to not see these at too many spots. Fire Red, Black Tongue. I don't remember if the OG, the original one, had a silver tongue or black tongue. I'm trying to remember. Do got Taxi 12s. There's a Mellow 12s. And then these Wheat Bad Boys right here on sale. I kind of like these, man. I'm telling you, can you wear these instead of boots? Fool people thinking they're boots. So a lot of spots have had these lately. And it's interesting because it's like a plastic material. It definitely does not feel like leather. I don't know, maybe it's stamped leather? I don't know. They put some sort of holographic material on it though, because it changes like depending on what angle you see it. But they have had these at a lot of spots. $120 for these. It is a Kobe Mamba Air Force. They got them in multiple colorways. The latest ones, they all came in monochrome. And I think there were, 3 different colors? I think there was a green one too. Lakers colors, and then I guess a couple of the snake colors. And then what is this? This one has vibranium in it. What the hell? The hell is this? Just like a nicer black Air Force. $150 for these bad boys right here. Seems like it has better traction too. Oh, and it has round laces as well, and Gore-Tex. Good rain shoe maybe? Got them in white as well. $150 for those. Never seen these. Got some Air Max 95 big bubbles right here. Bigger size though, $100. That's not bad because these are like $180 or something, right? And they're really pushing the Vomero Pluses, seeing a lot of those. I got a bunch of these Mamba slides, $43. They feel hella cheap, dude, I'm not gonna lie. It is comfortable though. It is comfortable because they're using that Revive foam, and like my budget ones at home were that material. But yeah, one from 30. Oh, this one's on sale. This one's on sale for 30. All the other ones are 44. And then is it me, or did they just finally come out with the all black version of, damn, almost dropped it. All black version of these Vomero Pluses, huh? I don't think I've seen an all black one. I kind of like them. You can match with anything. I don't know. Do you guys like those, or do you guys like these Pegasus premiums right here? Starting to see Jordan Trunners on sale. Got 3 different ones. Go for $100. What's the retail on those? I'm asking you guys. I feel like I should know because I have a YouTube channel. So you thinking all I do is go walk around, look at shoes, but I don't remember. My bad, you guys. My bad, dude. But yeah, I do got these Air Max Big Bubbles right here. Air Max 95 Big Bubbles. $130 for these. Trying to see how much the bubbles are bigger than the regular ones. I don't know. And then the Ed Hardys, are they coming back? Were they never dead? I don't know. I feel like I haven't seen Ed Hardy in forever, but they have been pushing these. And then, is this new? Is this new? $235 for Jordan 11. Don't know what colorway this is. Like the bottom patent leather portion is iridescent. Kind of interesting. Oh, and it has like the girly laces too. Kind of interesting. All right, dude got these for $235. Last store, dude got a Finish Line. I don't think I've ever seen Alpha Flies. What the hell? I don't think I've ever seen Alpha Fly Next Percents at the mall, including JD Sports or Finish Line. That's crazy. It's crazy, but it is retail, man. I ain't touching that for retail. Let me put it back down. Too rich for my blood. $150 for, damn, dude, what the hell? Thought this was like their little sale section, last size section. Not seeing much though, man. Not seeing much. See some Vomeros down here. Nah, man. Vomero Plus is $180 though. Oh, finally something on sale. Finally. These are size 8 men's right here. Usually when it's on the back right here, usually they don't have many sizes. That's why they throw it on here. That's why some of the stuff ain't even on sale. They just got one left. Dang it. And kind of like most of the JD Sports we've been visiting, we do see a lot of red tags, but just small sales, $30 off, $20 off, $30 off for those. We've seen these for $60 at some spots, and they're $85 here. Yeah, just underwhelming. $25 off those Cortez, $50 off these, so that's not bad for the classic leathers. So I guess they got some Reebok deals here. Classic nylons. Is that what they got? I don't know. Ooh, they got some of these. Holy crap. They got some of these. This is kind of interesting. I haven't seen these in forever. The Omni 2s. This colorway is one of the OG colorways, right? I think I have this one at home. I think this is the only colorway I haven't worn yet. I think this is the only one I haven't worn. So I have like 2 or 3 of these. I don't, 3 or 4 maybe. I don't know. But yeah, that's a pretty solid deal. That's not bad. And then same in the women's. A lot of discounts, but just not steep. Not steep. Make sure you guys come early, just like the outlets at Orange. It gets crazy packed. Crazy packed. There's a ton of parking, but just so many people that come here. Make sure you come early, dude.